Hello and welcome to another Bodgit And Leggit video. Now I've got the man flu, so it means I'm dying. It's the worst thing in the world, as we all know. I said I'd quickly turn the camera on just to show this. This is not going to be a how-to video or anything like that. It's just to show it, because if I don't show it, people won't believe me. It's a 2002 Volkswagen Golf 1.6 petrol. And I'm going to show you the brake calipers, discs and pads on this side. And the other side is just as bad as this. And not quite as bad, but just as bad. And to give you an idea, this is what a new pad looks like. This is what a new disc looks like. And for this particular car, the minimum thickness, is 7mm. After that, even the manufacturers say this is no good. So remember that. We're going to take this off and try and do it all in one shot so you can see. Going to fall. The other thing I'd like to point out, there's two brand new tyres at the back. Now just remember that. Someone has put two brand new tyres on this car. Now, we are only braking on this little part right here in the middle, which is about maybe 3 or 4mm thick. That's it. The rest of the pad or the rest of the disc is gone. This disc, remember what I said, 7mm is the minimum. This disc is 2mm thick. I could snap this with my hand. But it gets better, people. It gets better. Just let me undo this bolt and let me undo the caliper. Then I'm going to turn the camera back on and show you the caliper. 2mm thick. Now, just a quick one. This Phillips screwdriver, this Phillips screw is really bad. I showed this on another video and someone kind of had a go at me saying, oh, that doesn't work, blah blah blah, it's crap, I'm going to do it my way. This is as bad as you're going to get. Let's see what happens. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it and hit it at the same time. Look at that. I didn't even hold the disc. That was rusty. Look at how bad that is. And then someone tells me that doesn't work. Yeah, right. YouTube muppets. Let me get the caliper off and I'll turn the camera back on. Right, okay. I've taken off the brake line and everything because I need to change the caliper. You'll see why in a second. Now remember, on every single car, there should be one caliper, obviously the one side, a brake disc, and brake pads. That's if you've got, calipers at the back. So let's just take this off. We have no brake pad at the back, and look at that piston. The piston has completely come out. I can actually, there we go, take the piston out by hand. Let's just pull that over there and look at the piston. It's that bad that the two little holes in it to twist the piston back are completely gone. And that's the only reason the person came to me, is because the brake pedal went all the way to the floor. Otherwise, she would have kept driving. Look at the state of that. Have you ever seen anything like that? No one would believe me unless I showed them. This is just stuck in there. Look at the angle that pad is on. How thick it is at the top. See it there better. Look at that. because the caliper was kicked to the side. Look at that lip there. Look at that. See that lip? We're not just talking this happened, oh I heard a noise today. No. I heard a noise 6 months ago. Look at that. Have you ever seen anything as dangerous? If that had snapped, wheel locked, was on the driver's side, straight across the road, into an oncoming vehicle, everybody's dead. There's just, everybody's dead. It's pathetic. So there we go. I had to show that. I don't understand. Look at the build up on here. That's all brake. Keep itself in. Look at this. This is all brake dust and brake caliper. Just metal and look at it. Oh, I just don't know what to say. You can leave your thoughts down in the comments on what you really think of this. Oh, at least the sliders aren't seized. There we go, look, that's it, that's all I wanted to show you, because I know if I just maybe took pictures, people wouldn't believe me. Look at the build-up around the ABS sensor. That's bits of metal, brake dust and everything. I can actually see the ABS sensor now. Wow. Just wow. You can't make this shit up, people. Don't let your brakes get this bad. There's no need for this. There's no need for this. It's ridiculous. So look, hope it helps. Please like, share, subscribe and comment and all the usual. Don't forget links up here, links down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. For eat.